Okay then guys, let's have a quick look at this paper before we go through the questions themselves. This is the Summer 2010 C2 Pure Mathematics paper for WJEC. Got the usual instructions at the front of the book. Got a calculator, formula booklet of course, show all working, the usual things, and make sure you explain your answers in legible English, good English. One is on trapezium rule, standard, fairly standard 5 ordinate question there. Accuracy to 3 decimal places. Question 2 is on trig. Again, that looks no surprises there. It's going to be simple trig quadratic there. This is a simple trig, and so on. So that's an easy question, although 1 and 2 are fairly time consuming. Here we've got to draw the picture of our triangle. Okay, and then work out these things here. Doesn't look very friendly, but probably isn't too difficult. 4 is very easy, it's just integration of powers of x, so that's a good one. Probably a good one to start with, if you want a nice easy start. APs, again that's a standard bit of bookwork here for SN, and we've got other parts of the question there. So that's a good question to do as well at the outset. Similarly with GPs, sum to infinity, it's an easy thing there. And we get a quadratic, so that's nice because we can check that we got it correct. And then we can find R and A. So this is another good question. 4, 5 and 6 again look good. We've got a region bounded between a curve and an x-axis. Find the area. If you'll notice, x is positive here, so these values will be positive. So the area will correspond just to the integral y dx between 1 and 3. And this area doesn't flip below to a negative, does it at all? Because all these values will be positive for whenever x is positive. So that's an easy question as well. Number 7. Logarithms, this is standard bookwork. Taking logs and doing this logarithm. So again, 8 is easy once you've practiced those types of questions. Circles and lines and points is question 9. So that seems fine. And let's have a look at 10. 10 is areas of sectors. There's the picture. And then you've got a couple of questions to do with areas. So that's basically the paper then. That's what's in it. 4, 5 and 6 are the GPs, APs and integral questions, which are fairly easy and quick to do. So I might be tempted to do those first, then come back and do 1, 2 and 3. And then 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe finish on those. But of course you pay your money, you take your choice, so you can do it sequentially if you wish. And then tick off each question you've done. Of course, it always goes without saying that if you finish early, don't get up and leave and go away, because you've only got 90 minutes. Just go through the paper again, double check it. It can be double checked very quickly, especially some questions, because they ask you to show certain things, or you can tap the answer back into the original question and see that it's correct. So there's time-saving things that you can employ when you double check your answers. And then when you finish double checking, of course you triple check. So you don't waste a minute of the 1.5 hours that's given in this examination. So as I say, all the best in your C2 work. Hope this worksheet, this practice questions for this exam paper proves helpful. And I'll catch you again in another section. Cheers!